Ingredients: for the paratha, 2 cups whole wheat flour, water, as needed, salt, to taste, oil, for cooking. For the paneer filling, 200 grams paneer, Indian cottage cheese, crumbled 1 medium onion, finely chopped 1 medium tomato, finely chopped 1 green chili, finely chopped, optional, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, salt, to taste, fresh coriander leaves, chopped for assembling, green chutney, tomato ketchup, sliced onions, sliced cucumbers, cat masala, optional. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, combine whole wheat flour, salt, and water to make a soft dough. Knead the dough well and let it rest for 15-20 minutes. Heat a pan over medium heat, add a little oil and saute till copyright the chopped onions until translucent. Add ginger garlic paste and green chili, if using, to the pan. Saute till copyright for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and mushy. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt. Mix well and cook for another minute. Add crumbled paneer to the pan and mix everything together. Cook for 2-3 minutes until the paneer is well coated with the spices. Add fresh coriander leaves and mix again. Remove from heat and set aside. Divide the dough into equal-sized balls. Take 1 ball and roll it into a small circle. Place a spoonful of the paneer filling in the center. Gather the edges of the rolled dough and pinch them together to seal the filling. Flatten the filled dough ball and roll it out gently into a paratha. Heat a tawa or griddle over medium heat. Place the rolled paratha on the heated tawa and cook until bubbles start to appear on the surface. Flip the paratha and cook the other side until it turns golden brown. Apply some oil or ghee on both sides and cook until the paratha is cooked through. Remove the paratha from the tawa and place it on a plate. Repeat the process with the remaining dough and filling to make more parathas. To assemble the roll, spread some green chutney and tomato ketchup on the paratha. Place sliced onions and cucumbers on one side of the paratha. Sprinkle some cat masala if desired. Roll the paratha tightly and secure it with a toothpick or wrap it in